What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Knowledge. You've probably heard of this drink called kombucha. Have you tried it? Do you want to try it? Let me tell you a bit about it. But before I do, remember to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit the subscription bell so you always know when I upload cool new videos just like this. Alright, so let's talk about kombucha. It's a fermented drink made from green tea, black tea, or even oolong tea, plus sugar, yeast, and bacteria. It's made by adding the symbiotic colony of yeast and bacteria, which is also called SCOBY, to the tea and the sugar. What you end up with is a drink that contains vinegar, B vitamins 6, 12, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and other chemical compounds, probiotics, and antioxidants. The tea dates back to about 2,000 years ago to ancient China. There, it was used to cure such things as arthritis. More recently, however, people all around the world have been using it for such things as acne, tiredness, headaches, and even constipation. Did you know? Kombucha is said to be the fastest growing product in the functional beverage market. Its sales are expected to rise from $500 million to $1.8 billion by 2020. But let's look at the other side of the coin. Healthline.com says that even though kombucha can do your body good, there are a few things that you should be aware. Here are 4 possible side effects from consuming too much that you should be aware of. Number 1. It may lead to excess calorie consumption. Some kombucha brands are high in calories and could contribute to weight gain. Number 2. It may cause bloating and digestive distress. Kombucha is carbonated and it contains FODMAPs, which may cause digestive upset in some people. But what's a FODMAP? Good question! FODMAP is an acronym that stands for fermentable oligo, monosaccharides, and polyols. Basically, these are short-chain carbs that are resistant to digestion. And instead of being absorbed into your bloodstream, they end up at the far end of your intestine. That's where most of your gut bacteria lives. That bacteria then uses those carbs for fuel, and in the process produces hydrogen gas, which could cause digestive problems in sensitive people. For example, people with irritable bowel system. Number 3, may contain excess amounts of sugar. Some kombucha drinks are sweetened with fruit juice or cane sugar in order to make the product more marketable to the public. This obviously is not good for your overall health. So buy brands that are low in sugar whenever possible. Number 4, best avoided by some people. Due to its very small alcohol content, caffeine, and lack of pasteurization, people with weak immune systems, pregnant women, and women who are currently breastfeeding are said best to avoid drinking kombucha, though no major studies have proven this to be true. So, what's the bottom line? If you're currently drinking it or have been thinking about trying it out, keep it to a limit of about 1 to 2 servings per day. In 2016, the British Columbia Center for Disease Control said that equaled to 110 milliliters, or approximately half a cup. Well now, there you go. Just a little more information on a drink that seems to be taking the world by storm. If you enjoy what I'm doing here, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this. I'm gonna go, but I'll see you guys next time right back here on Edible Knowledge. Bye!